With GAT Plus and Unlock, you can find out which files in your domain are externally owned and create a copy of them owned by your domain. Please note that this feature requires GAT Unlock. First, navigate to the Drive Audit section of GAT Plus. You can quickly find out which files are owned by others and shared in by clicking the results shown on the summary table. This will apply a filter for you. In this example, I'll look for a specific file, so I'll edit the filter and add a new rule. Here is the externally owned file I'd like to copy. You can tell it's externally owned because its owner will have an orange label. Now select the file by checking the box on the left, and click the File Operations button at the top. Then choose Selected File Copy. A pop-up window will be displayed. You can select to preserve the original create date of the file if you need. Click Next. Now select the user who will receive the copied file. You can also select which folder the file will be copied to. In the Advanced mode, you can manually set the parent folder ID if you prefer. Now send your request. Your request will be sent to your domain's GAT Unlock security officer, who will need to approve it. Once approved, the file will be copied to the location you specified. That covers this how-to. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this GAT Labs video, please like and subscribe and ring the bell for regular updates. You can also get a free 15-day trial of GAT Plus by following the link in the description.